Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of Jessica Lynn Original. Today we are going to create a card using Poppy Power. And Poppy Power, I will put the link down below if you're interested, but I purchased this digital stamp. It's called Season's Greetings Wreath Digital Stamp Set. I absolutely love like little chickadees and little birds. I think they've always been, for some reason, one of my favorites. And when I saw the second card, the blue one, really inspired. So the fun part is digital stamps allow you to go in, purchase, and download them immediately. So I literally, within 7 minutes of ordering, was able to get my email, which allowed me to download the stamps. Please know, with some digital stamps, it only gives you so many times that you can download them. And that's just to help keep copyright content collected, that's all. But what I do love about this set, I was really inspired by it. I thought it was really beautiful, and I love the fact that she draws and does something similar to what I do. I love to put some shadow and highlights into my digital stamps right away. And the reason I love to do that is so that you don't have to do nearly as much work. My goal is that if you color it in and then just do a couple of little highlights and shadows, that you'll be able to get some pretty good dimensions. Now, I love her art. I think it's really pretty. It is a lot of coloring. So please remember that there's a lot of small lines. Now, I would love to see this in some really bold pinks and blues and some other colors, but I truly fell in love with the more traditional version of this, and I wanted to, again, think about who I'm going to go ahead and share this with. And the card itself, I think it might go to my husband's mother, because she really loves that fun traditional stamp Christmas feel. So I'm really excited about this. I think it is a beautiful design. I'm using a mix of Copics and Cali Arts to color this in. They're both marker types. And always start with your lightest shades, build up. And then when we're done, I'm going to add some glitter pen to it, just because I absolutely love it. I think it just gives everything a little bit of a sheen and shine that it just needs. So let's go ahead and color this in, and then we will continue on in the steps after we're done. Once I have this all colored in, we're going to go in and we're eventually going to cut it, but I always try to find the paper for the background first. Now the image itself that I fell in love with had like a really dark blue, and I think I might go with that. But it's funny because now that I'm in post-production of this video and I'm kind of watching back, I kind of wish I would have used the brown, just because, watch in just a moment, look at how cool that looks. Like that would have just popped, but it's okay. That one I really liked because it was a really dark navy, which is the similar color to the one on their website. But again, no right or wrong choices, and look at how easy, just by changing the background paper, it can change your whole card, the whole feel of it. I think with the brown, it might have looked a little bit like a door, which is maybe why I'm thinking, you know, it would have looked really nice. But I really love this paper. It's a stack that includes some paper that almost has a linen or a fabric look to it. Now with digital stamps, again, I've said this in many videos, but you can either fussy cut it out with a pair of scissors, which is time consuming, but well worth it. You could use die cuts, although they don't offer these for the digitals. So this one, for me, the best alternative I had was to use a Brother's Scan and Cut, and it will find the lines and cut it out for me. Now you might have noticed that I used some tape. Brother's Scan and Cut, I don't own a Cricut, so that one I can't tell you. But I can tell you with the Brother's Scan and Cut, the mat, I think it loses its stickiness or real stickiness within like the first week of using it. So I've had to get creative with different tape and different things to try and experiment on how to get it to hold in place. And I found, honestly, just using packing tape, but I have to use it far enough away because I don't want to have the blade cut through the tape. That works really well. And then when I'm done, I take it off immediately because I don't want the tape, the packaging tape, to permanently fix itself to the mat, because then I'm in a worse boat than I am right now. So I'm going to go ahead and let it cut it out flush right up against the edge. And then I think, because I'm inspired by the card I saw where it looked like they cut out the center, so I think I'll actually fussy cut that and we'll get it cut out as well. Alright, so this looks so cute. I'm going to go back in and fill it in, but the first thing I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and apply the full background. Once I have that on, we will go ahead, add the sentiment, do some glitter pen coloring, foam riser up the wreath so it has some really nice shadows, and I think we'll be close to done. And this would be a great time to remind you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The actual content and videos that we have available cost absolutely nothing, and I love having you guys as part of the community, you know, sharing your thoughts, your ideas, how to create cards different, and I absolutely love that. We do have a brand new club coming for January. Now, it may show up a couple of days before. We are going to have a monthly digital stamp group, and I'm so excited to announce this. It's going to be a lot of fun. Now, again, this digital is not one of mine. It's from PowerPoppy, but JessicaLynnOriginal.com is going to be offering a Digi of the Month club, and it's going to be a really fun group. We're going to all have meetups. We're gonna share our cards. You guys are gonna get shout outs on videos if you're interested in this. It'll be a lot of fun. I cannot wait to get started. And the other thing that's cool is that you'll help me decide what the Digi of the next month will be as we go along, which I think is going to be so much fun. So a couple of foam risers, and let's go ahead and take a look and see how this looks. Oh, this is cute. I love it. And if you go out to their website, I truly was inspired by the card they had out there, and it is so pretty and it's so traditional. I kind of want to make another one now and make it in like bright colors, like I'm even thinking, this is so crazy, but I'm even thinking about what if I left the wreath black and white, like as is, and then did tons of color in the background. Or maybe did it in like hot pink or something really like bold and just not normal. That's the thing I love about stamps and digis, is that we can kind of play around with this and come up with our own ideas. So again, my name is Jessica Lynn. I'm the owner and artist here at JessicaLynnOriginal.com. And I thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to comment and don't forget to like this video. Take care, everybody. Merry Christmas.